The first thing you need to do is to log in to Sign Up Genius. Hopefully you remember your username and password from September. All right, close that. And you want to go up to the top where it says Create a Sign Up Genius. And then you want to click Create a New Group. I find this easier than editing one that you've already done. And I would type in November conferences. Then your title of your sign up, I would again write November conferences with your name. In the description, I would type up something simple because it's just right in the beginning. So 1 or 2 sentences. Sign up for a conference to discuss your child's academic progress in the area of math, social studies, whatever it is. Katie is going to be having conferences to discuss progress around or questions parents may have around personalized learning. So her description might be a little bit different. Don't spend a lot of time on this one though, you guys. Okay, scroll down and then continue. Now pick a theme. Just watch that you're not picking one that has that triangle with that ribbon because those you have to pay for. Pick something simple. Katie picked art pencils. Scroll down and continue. All right, you're going to want to pick time slots. And if you notice in the parentheses, it does say for a parent conference. Scroll down. And days of the event. You want to type in each date separately. So the first date that we're having them is November 13th. And end date, put November 13th. Start time is 7:15 a.m. And we are ending at 8:45. Just make sure that you're paying attention to your AM and PMs. And every 10 minutes. And then your location. On the grid that Sean shared, she told you where you're at. Most of you are in South Gym, Middle Gym, North Gym. Katie happens to be in a classroom, as do student services and special ed teachers. And then you want to scroll down and click that box that says, I need to go through this one more time, and then click continue. Nope, you don't do anything else. Okay, scroll down on this. And you want to click the box that says add time slots. Once again, now you're going to put our second date. Next conference time is the 15th of November. Also want to put that in as your end date. And the time for this conference is 4:30 p.m. until 8 p.m. Katie has the same location, and she's also changing her increment, so they're every 30. Add time slot. Scroll down. And you need to do this one more time. Add time slots. And then you want to put in the final date, which is November 19th. That one is at 4:30. And we only go until 6 p.m. Katie's location is the same. I did notice that the group that's in the North Gym will be in the cafeteria on the 19th, so make sure you're paying attention to that. And adjust your time slot, and then say add time slots. And they should all be there. Scroll to the bottom and update. I put in the title of slot, I would put student's name. And for Katie and I, our help comments, I think I just put topic to discuss. You can choose that. Scroll down. I like the first one where it has our date first. It'll make it easier for everyone, and then continue. I like those three things. They're going to give me their name, their email, their comment. So those should all be checked. Under preferences, uncheck notify me and uncheck allow people to swap, but I do like the reminder to stay there. And then continue. And this is what your page will look like. So just take a look through, make sure that you see your date. You've got your time starting at 7:15 a.m. until 8:45. You've got the Thursday time until 8 p.m. and the Monday time again until 6 p.m. Scroll back up. And I would click submit and sign up. Okay, then click number 7, which says invite and publish. Okay, and scroll. And you want to go to the middle one. Take my sign up live, but don't send emails. And then you get a link right in the middle. It's orange. Copy that link. And then you're going to want to go to Sean's page that she linked to our early release page. Find your name on the document. Highlight it. Use the link button and paste. And you're all set. Thanks. If you have any questions, find me. This is Missy Zenner.